total profit or loss for the year. The net assets of David, a trader, at 1 January 20x4 amounted to $16,000. During the year to 31 December 20x4, David introduced a further $6,250 of capital and made drawings of $6,000. David's net assets totaled $23,000. What is David's total profit or loss for the year ended 31 December 20x4? Answer: closing capital equals opening capital plus profit or loss plus additional capital minus drawing. Profit or loss equals closing capital minus opening capital minus additional capital plus drawing. Profit, loss, equals 23,000 minus 16,000 minus 6,250 plus 6,000 equals $6,750.